DJI is no stranger to revolutionizing the camera industry. Known for their world-class drones, gimbals, and cameras, DJI has continuously pushed the envelope with innovative products like the Osmo Action 5 Pro and the professional-grade Ronin 4D. But what if I told you that DJI might be entering an entirely new market? One that has photography enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. That's right. DJI is rumored to be working on a full-frame mirrorless camera. And if true, this could be a serious game changer. The rumor mill has been swirling with news of DJI's upcoming mirrorless camera, thanks to none other than Andrea Pizzini at Sony Alpha Rumors. Pizzini has a track record of reliable leaks, especially when it comes to camera tech. According to him, two trusted sources have hinted that DJI is planning to launch something big towards the end of 2024. And the most likely contender? A mirrorless camera that directly competes with the heavyweights: Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Now, if DJI is really planning to step into the mirrorless camera space, it's not entirely surprising. They've already proven themselves with non-mirrorless cameras like the DJI Pocket 3, which ranks among the best vlogging cameras available today. Plus, let's not forget, DJI owns Hasselblad, creators of high-end medium-format cameras like the X2D100C. If these rumors are true, we could be seeing a new DJI-branded mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses, positioned somewhere between DJI's existing offerings and Hasselblad's niche expertise. A product like this could really shake up the camera market, offering a fresh challenge to the Japanese giants that currently dominate. Here's where DJI's potential for disruption gets interesting. Despite their incredible performance, most top mirrorless cameras have long-standing issues: difficult to navigate menus, outdated connectivity options, and no internal storage. DJI's experience in creating user-friendly devices gives them an edge to solve these pain points. Take camera menus, for example. While some models like the Sony a7C II have made strides, most mirrorless cameras are still better suited for professionals than amateurs. But Hasselblad's X2D cameras, with their minimalist Scandinavian menus, show us how simple and intuitive a camera's interface can be, feeling more like a smartphone than a traditional camera. DJI could easily bring this level of ease to their mirrorless model. Then there's connectivity. Most cameras today still operate like they're stuck in a pre-smartphone era, where transferring photos to your phone is slow and clunky. But DJI has already mastered fast, wireless file transfers with their drones. Imagine a mirrorless camera with the ability to send full-size images to your phone in seconds, just like DJI's drones or the Leica SL3, which uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi MIMO tech. And what if DJI's mirrorless camera offered something no one else does at an affordable price? Internal storage. The DJI Mavic 3 drone comes with up to 1 terabyte of storage, so why not apply the same concept to a mirrorless camera? It could revolutionize the way we think about storing and backing up photos on the go. Another potential game changer could be lens compatibility. The DJI Ronin 4D already works with L-mount, E-mount, and M-mount lenses, giving creators incredible flexibility. If DJI could bring that versatility to a mirrorless camera at a lower price point, they could draw in a whole new audience of hybrid shooters, those who need a camera that's just as powerful for video as it is for stills. So, why would DJI even want to enter the mirrorless camera market? Well, aside from compact, film-like cameras such as the Fujifilm X100 VA, the real growth area in cameras is video, and that's where DJI shines. They've already proven they can dominate the drone and gimbal market, and with their experience in video production tech, a mirrorless hybrid camera could make them a force to be reckoned with. These rumors have certainly sparked a lot of excitement, and let's be honest, a bit of wishful thinking about what DJI could bring to the mirrorless camera world. Whether you're a pro photographer or an amateur looking for a more intuitive camera, the idea of DJI entering the mirrorless space has the potential to shake up the industry. Will DJI deliver a product that redefines what's possible with hybrid cameras? We'll have to wait until late 2024 to find out. But one thing's for sure, if anyone can pull it off, it's DJI. What do you think about DJI's rumored mirrorless camera? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on the latest camera tech.